Princess Catherine's recent health scare has sent shockwaves through the royal family and its fans worldwide. As she navigates this challenging time, her loved ones have rallied around her, offering unwavering support and care. The royal family's response to her health issue has been one of unity and strength. Prince William, her husband, has been a constant presence by her side, providing emotional support and care. The couple's 3 children, George, Charlotte, and Louis, have also been a source of strength for their mother. The royal family has asked for privacy during this time, but it's clear that they're united in their support for Catherine. Catherine's parents, Michael and Carol Middleton, have been a steady presence throughout her life, and this challenging time is no exception. They've been spotted visiting their daughter and offering support in various ways. Her siblings, Pippa and James, have also been involved, providing emotional support and help with the children. Catherine's health issue has brought her closer to her loved ones, but it's also presented challenges. Her relationships with her husband, children, and friends have been affected as she navigates this new reality. She's had to rely on her support system more than ever before, and they've risen to the occasion. Prince William has taken on more responsibilities, caring for their children and supporting Catherine through her recovery. The couple's communication has been key, ensuring they're both on the same page and supporting each other every step of the way. Catherine's children have also been a source of comfort and strength. They've been kept informed about their mother's health and have been involved in her care. This experience has brought them closer together as a family. Catherine's friends have also rallied around her, offering emotional support and practical help. They've been a lifeline, providing companionship and help with daily tasks. Through this challenging time, Catherine's family has been her rock. They've faced this adversity together, united in their support and care for her. As Catherine continues to recover and navigate her royal duties, her loved ones will remain a constant source of strength and inspiration. The royal family's unity in the face of adversity is a testament to their love and commitment to one another. They're facing this challenge together, and their bond will only grow stronger as a result. In the end, Catherine's health issue has brought her family closer together. They've faced this adversity with courage and strength, and their relationships have been deepened as a result. As they move forward, they'll continue to support one another, united in their love and commitment to their family. Stay up to date on the latest news and updates. Subscribe now and join our community for exclusive content and more.